Good morning, Dr. Davies. Do you have a moment? I wanted to briefly discuss an observation from the surgical ward.
Good morning, Mihira. Of course, what's on your mind?
Well, we've had a few instances this week where postoperative pain management protocols aren't being followed as consistently as we'd like. Patients are reporting higher pain scores than anticipated, even with prescribed analgesia. This isn't across the board, mind you, and we've ruled out issues with medication availability or administration errors by the nursing staff. We also had a minor incident yesterday with a missing consent form for a relatively routine procedure, though that was quickly rectified. The core issue, however, appears to stem from a lack of clarity in some of the postoperative orders regarding PRN pain medication dosages and frequency, particularly for patients undergoing more complex abdominal surgeries. It seems there's ambiguity in the parameters for escalation, leading to nurses being hesitant to administer additional doses without explicit clarification.
I see. So, it's not a reluctance to give medication, but rather an uncertainty about the precise parameters for increasing it.
Nurses are frequently calling registrars for clarification, which delays patient comfort. This ambiguity is creating hesitancy, causing the lag in effective pain control.
Mihira, taking control of your health is a journey, and every small step you take makes a profound difference in how you feel each day. Staying consistent with your medications is the foundation of this path, as it keeps your body supported and balanced around the clock. Alongside your prescriptions, embracing a few gentle lifestyle adjustments can truly transform your long-term well-being. Easing up on salt intake and limiting alcohol gives your heart and blood vessels a much-needed breather, allowing your body to function at its absolute best. If you are working on quitting smoking, please remember to be incredibly kind to yourself during the process. Replacing the urge to smoke with positive, life-affirming habits can make all the difference. You might explore the grounding calm of daily meditation, channel your creative energy into a new hobby, or use regular exercise as a natural way to relieve stress. Lean into professional counseling or support groups when things feel heavy, because you never have to carry this alone. You deserve a vibrant life, and you have the strength to build it.